Premier Projects Limited is a venture by a visionary entrepreneur, Mr. Tarun Sheen, having 17 years of diverse and rich experience across real estate sector and financial service industry. The company is committed towards evolving real estate industry in India by developing the highest quality projects that will match the expectations of modern and urban India. Premier Projects Limited is coming up with the project Premier Corporate City, India's first corporate city. It is the first plot in Greater Noida with 3 sides open. It has all the star attractions like world-class 5-star hotel, retail mall, corporate offices, service studios, amusement park, golf course, 5-star clubs, United Flavors of India, coffee shops, food court, international spa, multi-facility gym, sports club, and one of the most modern, luxurious facilities, amenities of international standards. It is closely connected to various hubs around the city, being 5-minute drive from NH24, 4-minute drive from Sector 121 Noida, 9-minute drive from Pari Chowk, 3-minute drive from proposed metro station, 3-minute drive from the Crossing Republic Part 2, 1-minute drive from FNG corridor. Location is witnessing interest from prominent industrial houses with proximity to business biggies like Mozabeer, TCS, Yamaha, LG, Minda, ACC, Ashtec, etc. The project has already won awards from Builders Council of India and appreciation from customers as well as real estate fraternity for its premium innovative concept and good location select. Premier Projects Limited will be coming up with several residential and commercial projects in various parts of country. Premier Hillview Gurgaon, Premier Residency Noida Extension, Premier Residency Bangalore, Premier Residency New Mumbai, Premier Grand Resort Palam. Premier Projects is committed to deliver innovative and high-quality real estate projects in India, matching the expectations of its key stakeholders, that is, its client, investors, associates, etc.
How to reach Premier Corporate City? Route 1. Arriving at the Greater Noida Expressway, take a left turn from Film City Sector 16. Go ahead towards City Metro Station. Follow the Noida-Greater Noida Link Road and take a right turn towards HCL campus. Go towards Balak Inter College and a couple of meters ahead, you will find Premier Projects Limited. Route 2. Arriving at the proposed Eastern Peripheral Expressway, taking a few miles ahead, you will reach Night Safari Park. From it, take a left turn towards Pari Chowk. From Pari Chowk, go straight towards Dadri Road, then go towards Yamaha and BPCL. At a few meters ahead, you will find Premier Projects Limited.